Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by stopping active transfers. Open the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray and choose Pause Syncing. Once done, pick 2, 8, or 24 hours to give yourself time. You need admin rights for permanent changes, so make sure you're signed into an admin account. You're pausing now to prevent file conflicts while you change folder associations. This step avoids accidental deletions or duplicate uploads during the next configuration actions. Next, unlink the PC from OneDrive so syncing stops for the desktop folder. Go to Settings, Account, and click Unlink this PC. This disconnects sync without deleting cloud files. Before unlinking, move desktop files from the OneDrive folder into a local folder like C/users/u/desktop local so you don't lose access. Once unlinked, choose folders to reselect only the data you want syncing. Do that to prevent desktop from being included again. Finally, permanently stop desktop syncing by opening OneDrive settings, go to Backup, then Manage Backup, and turn off desktop protection. You'll be asked whether to keep files in OneDrive or move them locally. Choose Local if you want desktop only on this PC. Make sure to verify desktop now shows your local files. If something goes wrong, restart OneDrive, sign out and sign back in, or relaunch Windows Explorer to refresh folder associations. This often resolves lingering sync behaviors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.